Hi, I'm Kristy Bushaw with the Kristy Bushaw team. Virginia is on my team, and we today are here to thank all the people that helped us set up and do March Madness and highlight all of my sellers' properties and all the wonderful agents that took time away from their families to sit in my homes. I've invited them all to come today between 11 and 2 and enjoy some shrimp and sausage and potatoes and corn, all from a local seafood place called Lartigues. Comes fresh off the boat, which is pretty nice. So we're here today, and Valerie was able to attend, and she helped us all month long, and I really appreciate you doing that. And Virginia was the queen of our open houses. She made sure that her husband delivered a grill one weekend. She also made sure we had music in Bear Point. She also brought a golf cart and made sure I didn't forget anything at all my listings. So the goal of this March Madness was to highlight those people who have trusted me to sell their homes so that buyers and sellers could walk through and actually see if it might be the right property for them. Happy to announce we have 2 of those homes currently pending, so that's a good thing. We had listings from Pensacola, Florida, all the way to Fort Morgan, and of course Bear Point and Orange Beach. Houses, condominiums, and land that we highlighted during the month of March. So these are all the people that traveled to our open houses, whether it was in Bear Point or Fort Morgan or Orange Beach or West Beach. All of the buyers as well as realtors are included in the draw. So the winner of the 2 tickets to the Hangout Festival is Mr. and Mrs. Burns from Arkansas. Yay! They actually attended our open house in Orange Beach, and we're very thankful, and we will be in touch. So I just wanted to thank everyone and bring you some great local seafood on this April Fool's Day. Right?
Getting no fooling.
I know we get corny out here, but we want to have fun in our fun real estate career, because we all know buying and selling the largest investment of your life is quite emotional. And what we do is we try to keep it smooth and have a little bit of fun with it. So we're going to enjoy, look at the beautiful water, and remember why we love living, working, and playing in beautiful Orange Beach, Gulf Shores, Pensacola, Fort Morgan. So lucky.